Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at this, the ULBTER 9H tempered glass screen protector for the Sony ZV-1 camera that I am actually shooting with right now. So we're going to have to switch it up to my Galaxy S21 Ultra for the installation instead of my Panasonic, because like I said, the Panasonic shoots really good videos and photos, but it doesn't focus as fast and it's got a tiny screen. Even this Sony has a small screen. I need a bigger screen so I can actually see what I'm doing with the installation. So that's why I'm going to use my S21 Ultra, and you guys will get a good comparison of how the picture and video quality looks with both of these cameras. And I am recording with the Daddy mic that I have right now on the Sony ZV-1. So here's the box or the container of what it has. It says ULBTER. These are pretty cheap, like they're $7.99 I think on Amazon with Prime shipping, and you get 2 or 3 protectors inside. We'll look inside the box what you get. That is why I can probably afford to do an installation video on this without and worrying about messing up, because I have, you know, an extra or 2. So right there it says made in China. Yeah, so nothing much. So let's actually just open this up and see what's included. Okay, so we got the tape removed, and let's see what's in this little package. ULBTER tempered glass camera LCD screen protector. You get 1, 2, 3 sets of wet wipes and dry wipes right here. And what are these? Yeah, I don't know what these are. They're like levelers, but where do they go? It looks like they would go on a hot shoe. Why you would need a leveler on a hot shoe, I don't know. But yeah, you get 2 of them. Okay. You get 3 sets of dust removal stickers. And yeah, see, you get 3 screen protectors right here. 1, 2, 3. And what is this? Installation guide. Okay, so the first thing we did is to really check if there's a screen protector here built in, a thin one. And like I said, when I got this, it was like this instead of the other way. So I thought there might have been a screen protector, but there isn't. And I have my overhead and my LED lights on right now, my studio lights or recording lights. And I don't see anything. All I see is dust and fingerprints. So let's begin to wipe the phone down. Step 1. We're going to use the wet wipes. There you go. Alright. Then use the dry wipes. Let me see. Okay, after closely inspecting the phone, looks clean. So let's use the dust removal sticker. I'm gonna go like this and go through. And what's nice is this is a small screen, so there shouldn't be much to go through. And I'm gonna say that's good. Anyways, let's see. Okay, looks good. Now we're gonna grab one of the screen protectors, and it's nice that there is 3 of these. Technically, if you install it properly and you don't get no bubbles, you should, and you get it on the first try. I mean, one of these is gonna last a long while, right? A pretty long while. So right here, number 1, it says back, so that's the back part. And actually, before I do that, I'm gonna grab these because these are the guide stickers. So go this way, like that. There you go. Okay. Now I am going to remove the backing. And now I can try to line it up. So, oof, man, this is not good. How am I gonna do this? I'm not gonna look through the screen. I gotta look through in real life. So I'm gonna have it this way while it's recording. I want to be covering it up, man, but the screen is so small. Sorry, folks. All you're gonna see is probably the back of my head as I'm lining this up. Okay, so I think I got it lined up right there, and it says to go through the center first, like that, and then start going out. I should have used my squeegee stick, or that I have that came with my screen protector for the S21 Ultra. Let me go grab that. Okay, we're back. I can't find that squeegee I had, but I have this. This is a little squeegee stick that came with my microfiber kit. And man, I don't think it's gonna. Doesn't look like it's sticking, and that's probably because I don't think I have it all the way lined up. Because I think it might be sticking out a little bit on the edges here. I thought I did, but now looking at it, it doesn't look like it. So let me take these guide stickers out first. Ah, shoot. Yeah, take these out and start squeegeeing them. See? Just... You know what? Let's use this. Let's just use the microfiber cloth. Let's see if we can squeegee those. Yeah, the adhesive does not want to stay. Okay, so we are back. So see, what had happened was that when I installed it, I thought I had it lined up, but I had it actually slightly over this part. And if you guys can see, this part right here is slightly like raised up. You can see that little curve right there. That's what I had it on, so that's why it wasn't entirely flat on the screen. The screen protector wasn't. So now that it is entirely flat, as you can see, no bubbles. It actually came in pretty nicely, but I still didn't have it lined up as good because I still have this part right here. You can see the bottom, which isn't entirely lined up, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. I mean, I have two other ones that I can use, but I'm pretty happy with this right now because, you know, almost the entire screen is covered. So I don't think there should be any issues. And like, you know, most of the times when I'm going to be storing it, it's going to be like this. Boom. See, and you can still close it, so you have no issue with closing the screen. Where did I get these oils, man? I didn't even eat yet. Yeah, so far so good. I can open it. See, the screen looks good. And now they say if you have polarized sunglasses, you can actually see the screen now if you have polarized sunglasses. See? So that is good. We are good to go. The screen protector is on there. Pretty nicely. Although I'm starting to see a little bit of lint. Not inside, but on the sides. That's how dusty it is in this room. normally. That's why I like doing these types of installations, especially screen protectors in the bathroom, because I have most rooms, especially my room probably, is very linty. Lint is, you know what lint is, guys, and this might sound gross. It's from your skin, your hair, dead skin, dead hair follicles, and things like that. That's what mostly lint is, not necessarily dust. So you can have the cleanest room and you can still get lint. And so there you go. Yeah, that is good to go. Let me turn it around actually for the product showcase, right? Boom. Oh no. Why did I accidentally press record? Okay. So that was our look at this ULBTER, because they are better, 9H tempered glass camera LCD screen protector for the Sony ZV-1 right there. You guys can pick these up on Amazon for any of your cameras for $7.99. At least with the ZV-1, they're $7.99. And I'm thinking it's probably for all the cameras. Highly recommended. You get 3 screen protectors, an installation guide, these levelers for your camera. I think that's what they are. 3 wet wipes, 3 dry wipes, 3 dust removal stickers, and 3 guides with Amazon Prime shipping. And you know Amazon, they deliver it really quick. I got mine within a day. So yeah, highly recommended. ULBTER is better. And if you guys are wearing polarized sunglasses and you have a problem seeing your screen with polarized sunglasses, once you install this, you won't have that issue anymore. At least that's what they say. So that is it. If you guys are interested in the ULBTER 9H tempered glass screen protectors for the Sony ZV-1, please use the links in my description, as they do help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Project for wounded veterans, and it's really greatly appreciated. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. A small amount of time you hit the like and subscribe button greatly helps out this channel, and again, greatly appreciated. Also, follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.